Welcome friends, my name is Ijaz Kazi and I am coming with the next video on YouTube about taking charge of your life. Most of the time we find that we work for someone else or we work based on somebody else's guidance and we do not know where we are heading. So it is important to take charge of your life. Whatever people may say, if you feel what you are doing is right, do it. Don't think of others. And that is what we are going to talk about in this video. It is going to be a short video. You will have profound value from this. So take charge of your life. Be like this gentleman and take action, and take action which you want to take action, not others. And that is very important. So when we talk about it, stop blaming and complaining. That's the first thing we must do. Let us not point the fingers to others. Think inward and see what you can do rather than blaming others. Let us not do like this. There will be endless thing if you start doing that, right? That is what is sure. And you should not do like this. Stop blaming, complaining, because when you blame others, you give up your power to change. Robert Anthony, very, very profound quote here. And that is giving lot of learning from this quote. So stop blaming. That is not going to help anything to you. In fact, you are going to lose your power. The day you stop blaming others is the day you begin to discover who you truly are. If you start blaming situation, other people, then you will not end anywhere. But if you stop doing that, you will start rediscovering yourself and rediscovering the true you, the new you, which you wish to make success in your life. And that is important. And that is important to stop blaming. So if you are doing this, stop from today. This is a new day and new year. Successful people, they take responsibilities for their faults, their failures. Unsuccessful people, they blame others for their failures. So these are two different distinctions. And this slide is very, very profound slide. A lot of value from here. Two people, one who is successful, but he takes complete responsibility of his failures, his mistakes in life. The other will always have something, some excuses, some blame to others, and he will not take any responsibility for himself. And that is the differentiation, and that is the key differentiation between the successful and unsuccessful people. The solution to all problems lies within. If you start believing in this line, the solutions to all problems lies within, I think most of the problems will be sorted out. If you think that the problem which is there in front of you, I can solve, I have the solution within me, rather than looking outward, then most of your problems will get solved and you start living the life which you want to. Your life is in your hand. Don't depend on others for your success. It is your life. Keep it in your hand and keep it in your heart. And that is how you can be successful. Let us look at this again, a profound slide. Thought leads to feelings. Feelings leads to action, and action leads to result. TFAR is called. TF is inner world. That is your world. That is our world. When we think, and that feeling which we can create about the thinking is what inner world. And when you do that, there is a bridge, which is action, right? The bridge is between what you get as a result, as your goal, and your inner world, and that is action. So if you look at this slide and start thinking in a right way, in a positive way, that positive feelings will come out. You start taking positive actions and you start getting positive results. Obviously, there will be some challenges, but your mind will be, your inner world will be always positive to overcome those challenges, and then you can get, actions which will yield a lot of results for you, yield a lot of success for you in your life. And this is very important to understand. Control your thoughts. Decide about which you will think and concentrate upon. You will focus on. You are in the charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. So your thoughts are basically are important when you take any action. So if you control your thoughts, you control yourself. And that's what this Earl Nightingale says, the great man, that you must control your thoughts. You must concentrate what you want to do in your life. And when you control your thoughts, your actions will be also controlled, and you will be able to focus on the actions so that will give the right result which you want, right? And That is the profound message from this proverb. Thank you very much, guys, for listening to me. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Thank you very much for your patient listening.